Hi, I'm Rob Lessing, and I have worked at Eurasian Auto Repair for 8.5 years.
Philip Meredith. I've been here over 10 years.
My name is David Isaiah Armaguer, and I've been here a little over 8 months now, getting close to a year.
I have been in the automotive industry for 27 years.
I've been in the industry for 25 years.
I've been working in the auto industry probably for about 8+ years.
The laxed environment.
Okay.
Everybody has their own priorities to get jobs done. There's no pressure from the front to absolutely get it done.
Here at Eurasian, I mean, it's a great automotive shop. The turnover rate is awesome. People bringing the cars in for anywhere from oil change to a motor swap, and I mean, we just get the car back to the customer better than they came in. You know, and the small details count as well here.
My advice for someone wanting to work at Eurasian is be on time, stay alert, and complete all tasks.
Stay on top of training. Have proper tools.
I mean, if you're into cars, you're going to school, this is a great place to start off, you know, potentially grow. Eurasian is just getting bigger and bigger, and I mean, it's one of the best auto shops in San Antonio. So, I mean, I definitely recommend it as far as career goes and stuff.
We are located off of 281 between Thousand Oaks and Brook Hollow, and also our new location, I-35 and Thousand Oaks.